Hi, this is your instructor Albert Wong. This video is to show you how to access the pause and practice exercise and submit it to the DVC Canvas class Dropbox. Now to begin with, you need to come to the symbol, the SimNet interface that you have, and just like what you have seen here on the screen. Now to access the pause and practice, you just open the corresponding chapter. For example, assuming that you are working on chapter 1 pause and practice, you simply come to this particular screen and you click on chapter 1 and then you open the symbol. Now once you open the symbol, you see the corresponding chapter and you just position yourself to the page where you can find the pause and practice. Like for example, that is a pause and practice PowerPoint 1-1, and you can see all the instructions for this particular exercise. And if you go down to the bottom of it, you can even see the solution file in a way that it is showing you how the final solution may look like. So once you finish, you have the file and then you submit it to the Canvas class Dropbox. Now, before I show you where to submit, I want you to take a look at another one, and so that you know there are multiple of them, and they are to an extent built up on one another in some chapters, like chapter 1. Now, you can see the file needed is, say, for example, PP1-1, which is something that we created in the last pause and practice exercise. And again, you go down to the instruction one by one and you follow. And at the end of it, of the page, you will see a PDF file type of format that you can see the look of the solution and you can compare to what you have done. All right. So once you have all the work and you finish the corresponding PowerPoint exercise, and then hey, you have created the files for the exercise, and the next step is to submit the files that you have created to Canvas for migrating. To do so, you go back to the Canvas class, and as you can see that here's the page. Once you log on and you click on assignment, and for example, we just talk about chapter 1, and now you scroll down that you can see pause and practice, and there is a link that allows you to submit the corresponding files to the Dropbox. Now you need to click on this one and it will take you to the page where you can submit the assignment. And you click on the submit assignment button and you scroll down and you see there is another interface that it is where you can upload your file to Canvas for migrating. All right, that is it. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. Goodbye.